going on? How you guys doing? So we're back at it with another S2000 video. In this episode, we're doing something pretty simple. Swapping the struts from the S2000, the air ride, and putting an OEM suspension. It just rides a little bit too harsh than I'd like it to. The compressor's noisy, and I just want to get it back to stock. I have a buddy that's interested in buying the air ride. The video is not going to be anything really that special. It's hard to get the angles of taking off suspension, so I didn't have another person. So I appreciate if you guys would just leave a like right now, watch the video as much as you can. So I'm trying to convert this car back to stock as much as possible before I sell it. I might actually put it on copart, so you guys keep an eye out for that. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you want to see what else is going on with the other builds. I know a lot of you guys were asking about the red 911, the Tesla, the Viper. So I'll put your post notifications on and you'll be alerted as soon as I post something. Enjoy. Whoa. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing these struts on the S2000. I'm sorry for the shaky camera, but that's just how it is driving this bad boy. With all these potholes around here, it's just not very comfy. It's not very quiet. The air ride's always making some kind of noise. It's like, so yeah, I'm gonna be taking it off and installing the stock suspension. So it's gonna be hopefully a quick process. I'm gonna be doing it at work where I can have some better tools and maybe use the lift. You hear it? It's like, man. Got it pulled up in here. I got the new OEM struts in, used new OEM struts in. I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the air suspension. It's gonna be fun, but at least it's gonna be kind of warm in here and I'll have some power tools. Every time I start the car, the air compressor comes on. So yeah, let's get straight to it. One thing that sucks, I forgot my tripod. What a rookie mistake. And I'm gonna have to basically set up on whatever I can around here, which ain't bad. There's a bunch of boxes and a bunch of stuff I can use. Without further ado, let's get to it. Those two top ones are out. We can go this way. So here goes this one. So that took about 10 times longer than expected, but new strut in. I actually had to unbolt that ball joint and sway bar linkage, and it was just a pain in the butt. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that's torqued down to spec. Fitment, whack, but it's gonna do for now. All right, next side. Here's my good buddy. One side takes 2 hours, one side takes 20 minutes. So that took a lot quicker. Got that bottom bolt on. About to go ahead and tighten those two up top here. Put the gas fuel neck back on. I'm running out of time tonight to do the front, but I will be back. So I came equipped today. Got the car pulled back into the garage. This fender is roasted. Start with the passenger side. I'm feeling this side. So we basically have 2 strut bolts up here, and then we have to take off both of these upper control arm bolts, and then the one bolt that bolts the strut on. So with those 2 out, we should basically be able to finesse the strut through there out somehow. Brake line all hooked up, bottom bolt tightened, 2 control arms tightened, up top tightened. This side is donezo. So we're gonna go ahead and put the wheel back on, lower this side and move on to the driver. So same deal, bottom bolt, 2 bolts in the control arm, 2 bolts up top, drop it, pull it off. Audi 5000, new one. This side is completo. Tire gotta go on and this thing gotta get dropped. Yeah, buddy.
For the future. And then
S2000 is sitting stocky. Oh my goodness. That looks incredibly high. Look at the wheel gap. Yuck. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this tank here and probably unplug some of the stuff in there. So I'll probably do most of that off camera. That is some weight savings, boys. Got all the air compressor and air ride stuff out. All the electrical. I got out the heated seat stuff as well. It was connected to it. So much room. That's that. So we're gonna go ahead and put a different set of wheels on here. Most likely stock AP1s. I might throw on a winter set just to kind of hoon around town when some more snow comes, but we'll see. Stay tuned. This is gonna be my favorite part right here. You hear that? Exactly, you don't, because the compressor's gone. Peace and quiet. This is it on stocky suspension. Definitely not stance, but hey, I'll take it. Not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So we got the suspension all swapped over. It looks good, a little bit weird, but whatever, it drives a lot better. And yeah, that's the whole purpose of it. Bring it back to stock as much as possible. I thought about painting the car yellow, but doing the suspension, I'm finding more and more issues, so it just might not be worth it. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. And as always, be blessed and be super excited. Enjoy. Can you see that or no?